lion fell in love with the farmer's daughter. King Monkey. A monkey made a great impression and was elected the king. The little ducklings. The little duckling sees a peacock. Princess Snow White. Princess Snow White was the daughter of a king and
the parrot. Rose has got a parrot.
The kid and the wolf. A kid was Picasso. After
a young mouse.
I saw a cat and a cock. The hen laid golden eggs. Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a little boy, the lion and the farmer. If you're happy and you know it's on your feet, listen to me now, listen to me. A, B, C, D, E, F. A little boy went in the hen house, tried to. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Look at that house. On that street, I live in that house. That's my house.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my...
Jacket, kid, lake, money, nose, oil, paper, queen, robot, shoes, table, uncle, violin, worker, X-ray, yellow, zero. Table, he, A, B, L, E, table. 5, F, I, B, E, 5. Guitar, G, U, I, he, A, R, guitar. Kid, K, I, D, kid. 0, Z, E, R, O, 0. 1, O, N, E, 1. 2, he, W, O, 2. 3, he.
Can you find the first letter of the word
Worker. Uncle.
Oh no. Try again. Can you find the first letter of the word
Worker. Nose.
Oh no. Can you find the first letter of the word
Worker. 9.
Oh no. Try again. Can you find the first letter of the word
Paper. Table.
Oh no. Try again. Can you find the first letter of the word
Paper. Paper.
Good job. How much become
6,
minus
3, 7.
Oh no. Try again. How much becomes
6.
minus
3. 3.
Good job. Web the